It's no secret that old age will affect us all one day. Whether that is sooner or later, remember that your aging body and mind will need the best medical coverage available. At Red Banks, we see a growing importance for finding the right health insurance and coverage for senior citizens. There are numerous options and combinations to choose from that makes this a very confusing process. The most common insurance plans for seniors are Medicaid, Medicare, Medicare replacement plans, Humana, and Anthem. There are many differences between each plan, and when looking for expert advice on the insurance needed for a skilled nursing facility, contact the professionals at Red Banks. We seek to be an outreach for the community with a commitment to quality care services and housing for seniors. To learn more about what Red Banks can do for you and your family, give us a call at 270-826-6436 or visit our website at www.redbanks.org.